At Luxexcel, we have developed a unique technology, and with this technology, we can develop unique lenses.
We are here with IFB Solutions in Winston-Salem to witness the installation of the world's first ophthalmic 3D printer.
2 years ago, we commissioned a study through one of our partners to identify if this was even a possibility within ophthalmic lenses. And we went out and were able to find the one and only company interested in working on this in the world, and that was Luxexcel.
We're not trying to do what everybody else does in ophthalmics, what everybody else does in eyewear. So we're trying to address really needs that are not well fulfilled or products that are not possible. There are difficult lenses, high diopters, difficult prescriptions, people with different needs, with special needs for special lenses.
Well, the installation consists out of several phases. It started with the engineers here on site doing the physical installation. After that, new people came on board to do the calibration of the printer, and we have now achieved a milestone that we can print high-quality lenses.
This is breakthrough technology for us. This is technology that could make dramatic changes for people facing vision loss.
For Luxexcel, it means that we have a technology that offers the world the possibility of significantly reducing waste and saving a lot on logistics. So we bring that to the market in the same notion that we do something that really means something for the world.
When the reality strikes and you see the lens and you see that it actually can be 3D printed, it's an enlightening moment. Enlightening is probably too small of a word. It's like I did not believe this would ever happen, and here it is. Everybody is hanging around the printer and talking endlessly in excitement about what is potentially possible with this kind of technology.
Eventually, we'll also go one step further. We'll make lenses with integrated electronics. Our technology is about doing what is not possible today, providing new products and not try to do what everybody else does. So we bring innovation to the eyewear industry. That's our mission.